we are looking at the difference between uniform and non-uniform acceleration. So I'll give an example of uniform acceleration. So this would be a uniform acceleration. It's reducing, the speed is reducing, but still this is an uniform acceleration, and we have seen the reason why. Because the velocity, the drop in velocity is always constant, and you can see the acceleration is minus 20. So it can be acceleration or deceleration or whatever the case may be, but in this case we can see that the velocity is dropping at a constant rate. If a velocity is increasing or not increasing or decreasing at a constant rate, then we said to have uniform acceleration. So what about non-uniform? Well, non-uniform is going to be something like this. It might not be a huge variation. What I will be showing we might not be able to notice it to that extent. Right? It looks almost the same. But you can see here the velocity is varying. There's a small bend in your distance and displacement, and you can see the acceleration is moving between negative and positive, so on and so forth. Because the initial velocity, the velocity with which we're starting off with, is pretty huge, so we are not able to look at a huge difference. So let me try it again. Maybe this might help. Right? So you can see that compared to the first scenario, this scenario, uniform scenario, the rate at which the increase in velocity is happening, it's not happening over here. Right? It looks like constant velocity over here, but it should not be the case. So that would not be the case for uniform velocity. Uniform acceleration, right? So here you can see the velocity is all varying. So that would be your case of non-uniform acceleration. So when it comes to change in velocity in uniform, velocity changes by the same amount in equal time interval. It can be either increase, decrease, or even no change. Non-uniform acceleration deals with velocity changing by different amount in equal interval of time. Value of acceleration is fixed. Here it will vary. In velocity time graph, we'll see a straight line. Here we need not see a curved line, but yes, some weird lines like this is also possible. So example is a ball falling in free fall. This we'll see in detail. And basically you or me driving a car or riding a cycle or bike or whatever that is, walking. So all of this is an example of non-uniform acceleration, day-to-day things that we experience, right? So let's do few numericals on uniform and non-uniform acceleration.